Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to completely remove a scheduled post on Instagram using a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, and a scheduled post that we had scheduled but we are now looking to remove. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram via a shortcut within bookmarks, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to more, bottom left corner, go to scheduled content. We now want to filter by the month. As in the previous tutorial, I did confirm the hidden feature of how to schedule a post so that you can work in advance with the amount of scheduling that is done, so you don't have to physically sit there on the device to push and upload. It can all be done contiguously for you, yourself, your company, your business. However, in this tutorial, we want to unschedule a post and completely remove it from the system by clicking on the post itself, which was scheduled for the 29th of August at 8 o'clock. We now want to click on delete scheduled content. Yes, deleting your scheduled content cannot be undone. That's okay. Click on delete, and that should now be removed from the calendar that contains all the scheduled content. And there we have it. The 29th is now completely blank. So we do not have any scheduled content that will go live on the account, as we have completely removed this offline. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.